Jesus.
For 911.
Wow.
Do you have many entries on it?
Had 9.
9.
9 entries altogether.
Bargain.
Oh my god.
Cut the cover off.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Jeez.
As good as you expected.
Speechless again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel myself shaking just now. I absolutely love it. I can't believe it.
Are you a Porsche guy or?
Sorry?
Are you a Porsche guy?
Yeah, I've got a Boxster.
Oh, okay.
987 just now, so yeah, this will be replacing it.
Yeah.
Always wanted a 911. Never thought I'd have one. So. That's nice.
So it's got, down there, it's got an exhaust button. So you see, so it's got that's the dampers.
Right.
Then that's
that
the
one there.
exhaust, so that opens a valve in the exhaust.
Wow. Oh, it's the
Just makes it
PSA,
louder.
yeah.
Yeah, I like that, it's cool. Would you say it's 911 is probably the dream car?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I've wanted one for years. It's always been the car that I've had as a poster on the wall.
Yeah.
Never thought I'd ever have one.
Super nice.
Never thought I'd have one for 30 quid or whatever it was I spent.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's the C2S manual,
Yep.
Aerokit 997.